Here we go. Harry and Tash.
This colour palette is spot on trend.
Sarah and George.
There's a lot to love in here, but we walked in the door straight into a corner.
Yep.
Daniel and Jade.
It's absolutely beautifully Art Deco.
Nice one.
Luke and Jasmine.
This is quite a good interpretation of how a market would perceive a house of this era.
Thanks, Darren.
And Jimmy and Tam.
I love this so much. Tick, 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 tick.
Well done.
Shayna Blaze. Here we go. She's tough, Shayna.
Cool.
Harry and Tash.
Okay.
For a guest bedroom, straight away you go, oh yeah, this could be a master.
That's good. Good.
Sarah and George.
They have decided to create their own version of the 40s and not look at the beauty in that hallway.
It's expecting worse.
Daniel and Jade.
This is a pared back deco, and I'm very happy with that.
Shayna.
Luke and Jasmine.
0.
I feel this is probably the most irrelevant room in a period detail to a house that I've seen today so far.
Slammed it.
Come on.
Oh. Jimmy and Tam.
This one has got me by the heartstrings. It really does. It feels
gorgeous.
so beautiful.
Shayna.
Now, you know how this works. I'll see you in a bit.
Oh, come on back, Scotty, back this way.
No. See you. I'll be back.
So close.
All right, Harry and Tash.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh, Jesus.
7 days later, and they are delivering to this level.
Sarah and George.
I find this study space really dull, really bland.
Daniel and Jade.
This, to me, is a very bold choice. Contemporary, with just the softest touches of period.
Luke and Jasmine.
I actually like this room, but there's no sense of that specific decade.
It's everything.
Jimmy and Tam.
This is not what I thought this house was going to be, but I absolutely bloody love it.
Oh, gosh.
Okay. The winner of week 1 on the block 2020 and taking home $10,000 from Ford and, of course, the Gag in Our Kitchen upgrade is by half a point.
Oh, my God.
It's Jimmy and Tam.
Yes! Oh, Jimmy, the close again. Good job, guys.
So good. Thank you, Gaggenau. Oh, yes.
Jimmy, can you catch?
Give it to me, Scotty. Woohoo! Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Congratulations, guys. 2 weeks in a row, you're on fire.
We literally just won about $150,000 worth of stuff.
And I reckon you might be in the firing line from this lot from now on.
This is the target.
There's your target, all right. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
OK, next week,
Oh, here we go.
you'll be doing the bathroom that is right next door to the bedroom that you just completed.
Bathroom.
And it's probably going to be quite modern. Sorry, Shayna.